Welcome! My name is Marzena Wisnowska Schilling. I am the owner of this website called New Gold Pill. I am born in Poland and living in Canada, and I'm an expert in the field of diet science. I'm no stranger to shamanic rituals used for the good of health of human beings. When I was educated, I was taught hidden knowledge from my ancestors. This is the most valuable thing that passed on to me above all else. I'm also a proud member of the LGBT community. Please enjoy this tour of the factory in Poland for the Duolife plant. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to please visit newgoldpill.com and click on the sign up button where you'll be getting a 40% discount. This is one of the founders showing a tour of the beautiful Duolife plant where all the supplements are manufactured and produced. Here is another picture of the facilities that are sterile, clean, and please enjoy the tour. Thank you for tuning in.
Witamy Was oficjalnie na otwarciu linii technologicznej Duolife Kozy. Brawa!
Bardzo podekscytowany, od otwarcia fabryki naprawdę mega akcja.
U nas w firmie prezesi osobiście pakują wszystkim towary.
Każdy osobiście.